Let's subtract mixed numbers. Okay, so we have here 10 and 4 over 10 minus 5 and 5 over 10. So we see that numerator 4 is less than numerator 5. So we must regroup 10 and 4 over 9. 4 over 10. Okay, so we will minus 10 minus 1. So 9. Saan punta ang 1? We will make a fraction based on the denominator. So 10 over 10. Okay. And then i-add natin ito. 4 plus 10. So 9. 10 plus 4, 14. Copy the denominator.